Welcome to the project in the heart of downtown Vancouver. We recently completed a stunning commercial renovation using Bodaq interior finishes. As you can see, the doors and frames were in desperate need of a facelift. They looked outdated, scratched, and damaged. One of the challenges of this project was to refinish everything without dismantling the existing structures. This meant minimal disruption to the clinic's operations and no hassle for the staff and clients. Why choose refinishing with interior film for your commercial space? First, it's cost-effective. Refinishing with Bodaq is a fraction of the cost of replacing doors and frames. You save on both materials and labor. Second, it's fast. We completed this entire project in just 2 days, minimizing downtime and disruption to your business operations. Third, it's clean. The installation process is dust-free, mess-free, and noise-free, ensuring a smooth and pleasant experience for everyone. Fourth, it's beautiful. Our wide range of patterns and textures can match any design aesthetic. Save time and achieve stunning results effortlessly. Contact us today to learn more.